In this lesson, we're going to learn leave-taking greetings in Igbo. You know that goodbye is more than just leaving. It's an opportunity to show respect. So in this lesson, we're going to learn those phrases we need to live politely. Stay with me. Let's get into it. The first greeting we're talking about is Kodi or Kemesia. Now these two words, Kodi, Kemesia, Kodi, Kemesia, two of them mean goodbye or see you later. They can be used interchangeably to mean the same thing, which is goodbye, and that's because they have the same functional meaning. Kodi can be modified to mean different things. For example, Kodiechi. Kodiechi means till tomorrow or see you tomorrow. Kodiabale. Kodiabale. That means till night or see you at night. Cordial gozo. Cordial gozo. That means till next time or see you next time. Let's consider some sentences containing Kodi or Kemesia. Kemesia nwannem, which means goodbye, my sibling. Now in Igbo, nwannem means my brother or my sister. Nwannem means brother or sister. So if you say Kemesia nwannem, you're saying goodbye, my brother, or goodbye, my sister. Another example here is imere nke ọma, Kodi. Imere nke ọma, Kodi, which means you did well, see you later, or you did well, goodbye. Anyị ga-ahụ echi, ka emesịa. Anyị ga-ahụ echi, ka emesịa. It means we'll see tomorrow, goodbye. Anyị ga-ahụ echi, ka emesịa. Anyị ga-ahụ echi, ka emesịa. See you tomorrow, goodbye. The second greeting here is Ijeoma. You know, the Igbo culture is full of blessings. Seriously. Most of the things we say, we are blessing people in our greetings most of the time. Yes. So this Ijeoma is what we say to someone traveling. Or maybe someone is leaving your place from your home to their place, that kind of thing. Someone is going on a long trip, something like that. And you tell that person, Ijeoma. Ijeoma. Ijeoma means safe journey or safe trip. Now when you say that to someone, the person leaving may reply with, oh, nọrọ nke ọma, which means stay well or be well. Okay? So you have told the person, you tell the person, Ijeoma, and the person responds with, oh, nọrọ nke ọma, which means stay well or be well. Instead of Ijeoma, you can decide to use gaa n'udo or gaa nke ọma. Now, gaa nke ọma means go well, while gaa n'udo means go in peace. So you are wishing the person peace. Okay? Now, those are the ways you can say safe journey or go well to somebody. Now, let's see some sentences that contain that. Okay? Now, the first one is Ijeoma, ka chi buru gị ụzọ. Ijeoma, ka chi buru gị ụzọ. It means safe journey. May God go ahead of you. Ijeọma ka chi buru gị ụzọ. Gaa nke ọma, lọta n'oge. Gaa nke ọma, lọta n'oge. That means go well, come back early, or come back in time. Ijeọma ka anyị na-arịọ. Ijeọma ka anyị na-arịọ. It's like a prayer. Safe journey is what we ask for. Or we ask for safe journey. Another way of saying goodbye is laa n'udo. Laa n'udo. Now, gaa n'udo and laa n'udo, they are literally the same thing, which is go in peace. Now, there's something about this greeting that is somehow, they use it a lot in burial, in funerals, to say like final goodbyes to a dead person. Yes, and that gives this greeting a kind of death vibes. Just like the hymn, it is well with my soul. It is well with my soul. Because of the way that hymn is used in burials, it makes it like, it gives it that funeral vibes, that when you sing the hymn, it's as if you're in a funeral. Yes, that's somehow how this laa n'udo is. Laa n'udo. It's just, it sounds like you're telling somebody goodbye for the final time in life. But that doesn't really mean that it has to be. That doesn't mean that it's only a dead person you say laa n'udo to. Okay? It could be that maybe some people came over to your house, maybe for a housewarming or something like that. They came for an event in your house. They are done and they're about going home. You can tell them laa n'udo. It's a way of telling them, go in peace to your house. Yes. Nwam laa n'udo. My child, go in peace. Maybe your children came over as a parent. They're about going back to their own houses. Of course, grown-ups that are married. Nwam laa n'udo. My child, go in peace to your house. It doesn't mean finals, like you will not see the person anymore. Okay? Imele enyi m, laa n'udo. You have done well, my friend. Go in peace. Maybe somebody came to help you at home. When the person is about leaving, you say, laa n'udo. Imere nke ọma enyi m, laa n'udo. Laa n'udo. Chukwu nọnyere gị. It means go in peace. God be with you. So have you seen this beautiful greeting that funeral is trying to snatch away from us? I like the greeting, Sha. I like it. The next greeting is Jisike. Now, Jisike is what you say to your hardworking friends. It's actually the most important thing you can say to somebody who is working or someone who's busy. Jisike. Jisike means well done. Yes, it means well done. If you come back home and meet someone who's working, your parent or a sibling or a spouse, someone is working. If it's a lady, you can say Nne Jisike. If it's a man, you can say Nna Jisike or Enyi Jisike to a friend. Now, this can also be used as a farewell greeting when you're about leaving the person at work, maybe a colleague. The person is working and you're leaving the person at working out. You can say something and then add Jisike to it. Yes, as a form of encouragement. Ka anyị hụ echi, Jisike. Ka anyị hụ echi, Jisike. Let's see tomorrow. Well done. Yes, A colleague, you're leaving the person behind and you're saying, let's see tomorrow, well done. Ka anyị hụ echi, jisie ike. Nọrọ nke ọma, jisie ike. Nọrọ nke ọma, jisie ike. Remember that when we talked about Ijoma, which is safe journey, he said that the person you are saying Ijoma to could respond with Nọrọ nke ọma, which is that you that they're leaving behind should stay well. So you are using it now for somebody you are leaving behind at work and telling that person, Nọrọ nke ọma, jisie ike. That's how to use jisie ike. Let's talk about some casual ways of saying goodbye. I have a compilation of 10 ways of saying goodbye casually. Now, there are actually so many ways of saying goodbye, but so many of them are dialects. And I'm trying as much as possible to stay with the standard Igbo, the one that you can write, the one that is taught in schools. Okay? The first one we have here is alarm. Alarm. Alarm means I'm going or I'm off. Yes, it's a fun way to say goodbye. Okay? The second one is Udo. Peace. I'm sure you've heard that before. Number 3 is Anyị ga-ahụ. Anyị ga-ahụ. Anyị ga-ahụ means we will see or we shall see. Yes, you don't talking to a friend, you're not talking to somebody and you just say Anyị ga-ahụ. Phew, you're out. Number 4 is Ka m gbapụ ya ọsọ. Ka m gbapụ ya ọsọ. Ka m gbapụ ya ọsọ means let me run along. Number 5 is Ka m laa. Ka m laa. Ka m laa means let me go. Number 6 is Ka m fuo. This is actually funny. Ka m fuo. Ka m fuo means let me get lost. Let me disappear. So it should just be among friends, especially those ones that like being naughty around each other. Ka m fuo. Number 7 is Ọ bịara ije nwụla. Ọ bịara ije nwụla. It's actually a proverb that means that a visitor or a traveler has the right to go back home. Okay, you have the right to go back home, which means that you can go. You can go. So, Ọ bịara ije nwụla is a way of saying I'm off, I'm going. Number 8 is Ka m chọọ ụzọ m. Ka m chọọ ụzọ m means let me find my way. It's a fun way of saying goodbye as well. Number 9 is Ngwano. Ngwano means alright then. It's also another way of saying goodbye. The last one is Ka ọ dị ka anyị ahụghị. Ka ọ dị ka anyị ahụghị. Some dialects say Ka ọ dị ka anyị afọrọ. Now it means let it be like we did not see. It's not funny. Let it be as if you did not see when you've seen each other. Yeah, it's a fun way of saying goodbye. And remember, these are casual ways of saying goodbye. But they are really interesting, right? Which of these farewell greetings will be using first? Let me know in the comments. Please don't forget to subscribe, share, comment, and like the video. Now, you're ready to end every conversation with grace. Practice this and we'll see in the next lesson. I am Tijani Wonder. Thank you for learning with me. Que Messia.